A quick update on VELO. So Velodrome appears to have broken to the upside from this falling wedge pattern here, if you want to call it that, of course. Now, as long as you're over this point 0.5 going from that low to the high at about 12.5, you're currently at 13.5. That could indicate that we're about to push back through the macro 786 and the 382 here at about 16.3. So 12.5 is your support to watch, and then 16.3 is your price to beat. I would say if we get over the 786 here, Velo might be bullish here out of this pattern. We'll see what happens here. We do have two candles spawned in here on the weekly chart here, and they're both turning into wicks, so that doesn't look too great. So I'm not sure, where this thing's going to end up going at the moment. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look great either. It's just kind of doing nothing, in my opinion, right now. So we'll see what happens. The easiest thing you could do is watch the support level and watch this resistance. And, if we break through 16.3, then that probably tells us we're going up. If we break down below the 0.5 at 125 here, then of course we're coming back down to the 618 and 11 and potentially lower than that. So it's either or right now, in my opinion. So we'll just have to kind of wait it out and see what happens here. The momentum on the weekly chart is clearly down, as we can see here with the stock RSI. And if we switch down to the 3-day chart, you can see it is curling back down, and it does have a bearish cross in play here. So we may come down further. I do not know. Now, with all that being said, if we look to how high this thing can potentially go, let me just move this off of the chart for now, just to clean it up. Now, going from today, if Velo is going to break through all of these levels here, the 1618 at 98, get over $1, you can see we do have a $2.4 billion market cap up to the 2272 at 4, and then a $5 billion up to the 2618 at 860. So one of these two targets, I think, is the top for Velo this cycle here. So potentially about a 63x, or to be more conservative, on Velo here, because I do think a lot of people are sleeping on this project. I think it's huge. Potentially about a 31 to 32x up to $4. So what are your thoughts on Velo? How high do you think it could go? Do you think $4 is being conservative, or do you think that's way too high? So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.